In this video, I'm going to show you how to add files to ShareFile. Now, the first way you could do this is here from the Home tab. So if you go to your dashboard, you are on the Home tab, and you want to click on Share Files. From here, you could go and click on Browse Files, and you can go and, of course, select from computer over here, or simply drag and drop. So I'm going to do from computer. You simply want to pick the file you want. So in my case, I'm actually going to go with this random file. I'm going to click on Open, and there we go. It's going to upload in here, and you can then press Continue, and you'll get a link. And of course, you can click Create Link over here, and you'll be able to copy it and then share it with whoever you want. That's the first way to, of course, add files. The second one is going to be to go into any of the folders and add files in there. So if I go to folders over here, I can go to, for example, personal folders or shared ones, going to be the same thing. You have to hover over the plus button top right, click on the upload button, and there we go, same thing. You can just browse whatever you want here, select something you want to add, so the file you want to add, click on open, and then click on upload bottom left, and that's going to upload that specific file into that specific folder. Of course, you could then go and move them as well if you have multiple folders, etc. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.